We're packing up for our next adventure, but we're not gonna pack like for this week's adventure. I'm gonna pack in the aptly named Adventure carry-on suitcase. Let's get packing. Before I get packing, I have multiple suitcases because we travel often. I am fortunate enough to pick between my suitcases, and I pick based on the trips that we're going to take. Two of my most recent and have become rather my favorites are the Adventurer suitcase and the Voyageur suitcase. And they have some differences of why I pick which one depending on the trip and the length that we take. If you're in the market for a new carry-on suitcase, then have a peek at both of these. I'm going to go through quickly the amenities before I get packing because we leave bright and early tomorrow. I'm that pilot wife lady with over 25 plus years of flying time. We travel in carry-on suitcases only and a personal item bag. We don't usually check our bags, so we want to make sure that our suitcases are all within the measurements. We stick to 22 inches and below in height and about 14 inches in depth. You should be good on almost every airline. Both of these are only 20 inches, so they fit pretty much every airline you're going to fly. But I always say double check on the airline you're flying. They'll have a page where you can go and check the specifications for carry-on suitcases. Always double check that before you buy a suitcase. Suitcase number one, the Level 8 Voyageur suitcase. My quick likes on the Voyageur is one, the outside. It's a little bit pebbly, which it detracts from getting marked up. I have other suitcases with the smooth finish, and a lot of those I'll have to take like a magic eraser to. This one I haven't had to do yet. The other thing I like about this is the TSA approved lock is on the top. Always a reminder to me once I get through TSA checkpoints, fasten those up and lock them. Other thing is the wide handle. I was a little nervous about, but it's amazing. Not only does it save me extra space inside, I'm not working around inside there to try and fill all of the nooks and crannies. The other thing is it is remarkably stable. When I'm going through the airport, it's kind of my armrest, big plus. And going over the bumps or the jet bridges, more stable than my other smaller handled one. Actually works out better. You may be saying, but I can't use my trolley strap with my carry-on bags. Easy fix. This is my latest personal item bag. It is wide enough that it will just sit on here, or I just take this one strap, cross that one that way, cross this one this way, and it hasn't moved on me. It's been easy peasy. The other plus to this one is it is not expandable. It's for my shorter trips. It keeps me from overpacking. This suitcase I use for 3 to 6 days, and I can get everything I need inside here. On the inside, it comes with a silicone pouch, clothes that might be damp that you need to stuff in real quick, keeps everything else dry. I also keep a silica packet, like you get them in your shoe boxes, help keep that moisture out of there. And then it comes with a mesh zipper, full open, don't have to worry about any dividers. This side, where the handlebar at the top is all on the edges, so all of this open space where I don't have to use all the nooks and crannies to try and stuff around. Next up, Adventurer carry-on suitcase. This one I use for longer trips because this one has the extendable option. If I get a little excited to pack, this I can open up. Other very cool feature that I like, all on the inside. So let's open her up, and I'm going to show you how I'm packing for this trip. We're going for 7 days. I might need that extra space. I may not. TSA locks are on the side versus on the top on the Voyageur. The first travel goodness of this suitcase is it opens up and has these strap holders. In the hotel on the luggage racks, you can set it long ways versus most suitcases, you have to set it lengthwise and it opens up wide. This one is a great space saver, especially if you're in a European hotel that those are much smaller than we're used to here in the States. This is a perfect compact size. It doesn't treat you like a compact size with the extension. The zipper top pocket for my smaller things such as all my scarves that I like to take. If you have anything delicate, camisoles, silks, also to make it easier packing. Let me do this. I can lay it flat to show you if I'm at home packing stuff and I want it to stay where it needs to stay. Usually what I put in here are scarves. If I have anything delicate, it would go in this front zipper pouch. These also come completely out if you want it to open all the way up. This one is set up differently than my Voyageur. It just has these two smaller zips and then it opens up all that space inside. These small pockets I use for all of my waterless washcloths, and then my flat pieces. Put my foot bandages in here, some of my tablets, mounts for my phone, my Aura charger, that will go on this side. These I use for my smaller pills or tablets. So they don't have liquids in them, so they don't need to go in my liquid bag, and they fit perfectly inside these zipper pockets. Other ideas of what I've packed in here: extra sanitizing wipes, my jewelry pouches. Depending on what I'm packing for that trip, I'll pack those in there. Your laundry tabs, also not a liquid, but on longer trips, sometimes if we have to do something quick or if I spill laundry, those will fit in there. And now for my favorite piece on the suitcase, the deep inside and how we're gonna pack it. It's gonna be a little different than my side opening suitcases, but trust me, it's a game changer. Let's get packing. This is the goodness of this suitcase. Besides wide handle for balance, the unique little pockets there, I love this because I can pack it like a book with my packing cubes. When I first showed my pilot husband this, he looked at it, he said, "That's not gonna work. I don't know about that." Until I showed him this magic, and then he was on board. He's like, okay, that's genius. Because whenever we pull our suitcase along in the airport, it's up, right? And everything we have in there falls to the bottom. With this packing cubes, if you're a packing cube person, this is genius. Even if you're not a packing cube person, you're going to pack it relatively the same, but you're going to pack it from the bottom to the top. Say you've got your pants, your shirts, your undergarments, toiletries, all stacked in there. And when you get to the hotel, it's going to be in the same spot. Oh, true. I probably got a little too excited about that, but I think it's a really cool feature. I've got my bottoms all in this packing cube. Then I have my tops plus one dress packing cube. These are my undergarments, swimsuit, and ball cap in this packing cube. Toiletry bag, slips in the top there, and my beach hat is foldable, and it goes right in there. Just like a bookcase. Forgot to add my dry toiletry bag in there. Then we're gonna snap it up, tighten it up so it can be used like compression also. Boop, boop. All packed up and ready to fly tomorrow. Take it off the luggage rack. Boop. 1, 2, 3. I'm ready to fly. Thanks for packing with me this trip. Whether you want a minimalist carry-on suitcase or stack them like a book, both of these have worked fabulous for me. These two have their magic goodness amenities that I love to travel with. I'm Andrea, that pilot wife lady, here helping you on the YouTube to travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. These two Level 8s, let me do. Thank you to Level 8 for sponsoring this video. I love to travel with them. You'll probably see me quite often in my airport takes, videos, travel tips, and I'll be with one of these suitcases. Happy travels, my packing cubes. Oh, pick it up, pick it up. If I can get it to stay. There. Suitcase, can you see my face? Maybe they don't want to see your face. Okay, good enough. It's all about the suitcase, not your face anyway. Take it from the hotel. Actually, you're probably going to leave from your house first. Take it from your house, all packed up, ready to go. Don't get it caught in the luggage straps. Ah,